A nation captivated, the trial of O.J. Simpson. The 1995 trial of Orenthal James Simpson, better known as O.J. Simpson, transcended the realm of a typical murder case, evolving into a cultural phenomenon that gripped the United States and the world. Simpson, a former NFL star, actor, and media personality, was accused of murdering his ex-wife Nicole Brown Simpson and her friend Ron Goldman on June 12, 1994. The trial, lasting over 11 months, unfolded like a televised drama, captivating audiences with its twists, turns, and cast of characters. At the heart of this legal battle lay a trove of forensic evidence, meticulously gathered and scrutinized, that would ultimately play a pivotal role in the trial's outcome. Science under scrutiny, forensic evidence takes center stage. The prosecution, aiming to prove Simpson's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, presented a compelling narrative woven together by a tapestry of forensic evidence. Central to their case was DNA analysis, a relatively new technology at the time which linked Simpson to the crime scene. Blood found at the scene matched Simpson's blood with near certainty, and DNA testing revealed traces of the victim's blood on Simpson's socks and inside his Ford Bronco. The prosecution also presented the now infamous bloody glove, found at the crime scene and outside Simpson's residence, as a chilling piece of evidence. While the glove's fit became a point of contention during the trial, the prosecution argued it contained fibers matching both victims' clothing. Further bolstering their case, the prosecution presented footprint evidence. Footprints found at the crime scene, consistent with a size 12 Bruno Magli shoe, a brand Simpson was known to wear, suggested his presence. Moreover, hair samples collected from the crime scene were consistent with Simpson's hair. The prosecution meticulously presented this scientific evidence, aiming to create a clear link between Simpson and the brutal murders. The weight of this evidence, they argued, painted a damning picture of guilt. Doubts and discrepancies. The defense's counter-arguments. The defense team, led by the formidable Johnny Cochran, adopted a strategy of challenging the prosecution's narrative and sowing seeds of doubt about the integrity of the forensic evidence. They argued that the blood samples were mishandled and contaminated by the Los Angeles Police Department, casting aspersions on the reliability of the DNA test results. The defense also capitalized on the prosecution's misstep during the glove demonstration, where Simpson struggled to fit the leather glove over his hand. Cochran's now famous phrase, "If it doesn't fit, you must acquit," resonated with the jury, raising questions about the validity of the glove as evidence. Furthermore, the defense team highlighted inconsistencies in the handling of other forensic evidence. They suggested that the crime scene was compromised due to improper procedures and that the chain of custody for the evidence was not properly maintained, potentially leading to contamination or tampering. By chipping away at the credibility of the forensic evidence, the defense aimed to create reasonable doubt in the minds of the jurors, arguing that the prosecution had failed to present a case beyond a reasonable doubt. A lasting legacy: forensic science and public perception. On October 3, 1995, after months of intense media scrutiny and courtroom drama, the jury delivered its verdict, not guilty. The Simpson verdict sent shockwaves throughout the United States, sparking debates about race, celebrity, and the criminal justice system that continue to this day. While the prosecution presented a seemingly strong case based on forensic evidence, the defense's strategy of highlighting police misconduct and raising doubts about the integrity of the evidence collection process proved effective. The Simpson trial exposed the potential for human error and bias in forensic investigations, highlighting the importance of rigorous protocols and meticulous evidence handling. In the aftermath of the trial, public awareness of forensic science increased dramatically, with television shows like CSI Crime Scene Investigation captivating audiences and popularizing the field. However, the Simpson case also served as a cautionary tale, demonstrating that the interpretation and presentation of forensic evidence are not infallible. It underscored the crucial role of both the prosecution and the defense in ensuring a fair trial, where scientific evidence is weighed carefully and scrutinized thoroughly. The O.J. Simpson trial remains a landmark case in legal history, reminding us of the power and limitations of forensic science in the pursuit of justice.